Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to open Microsoft Store or Microsoft Store is not launching after updating Windows 10. Then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Store Troubleshooter. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on troubleshoot. And here you will find Windows Store. If you don't find the Windows Store over here, then click on additional troubleshooter and then scroll down, and then at the end you will find Windows Store apps. So click on it, then click on run the troubleshooter. Once the troubleshoot is done, restart your computer and then try to launch Microsoft Store once again. If that does not resolve the problem, then go ahead and clear store cache using wsreset command. So to follow this step, just go ahead and type in wsreset in Windows search, and then make a right click on wsreset and then click on run as administrator. And here you can see this black screen. So do not close this black screen. We have to wait for this black screen to go away. So it may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. Once this black screen is gone, Microsoft Store will open up. It will just launch automatically. So we have to wait till this black screen goes away. So do not close this window. So here you can see the black screen is gone now and Microsoft Store is opening up. So after, if this opens up, then it's good. You will be able to use Store. In case still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and update Windows 10. To update Windows 10, go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then click on update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to use Microsoft Store. Now the next step is to reset Store app. To reset Store app, again open settings, go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on apps, scroll down and you will find Microsoft Store somewhere. So scroll down and find Microsoft Store. So here you can see Microsoft Store, click on it, then click on advanced option, then scroll down and here you will see the option which says reset. So click on reset. Now here you can see this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So click on reset. You might have to log into your Microsoft Store once again, and after the reset, go ahead and try to launch Store and then log into the store, and then you can go ahead and use Store. Still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and run this command. So these commands are provided in the video description. You can go ahead and run this. So just go ahead and type Powershell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows Powershell and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and copy the first command, copy it and then paste it on the Powershell window, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Once this is done, open Powershell command once again, make a right click on the Powershell and then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and again run the second command and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once this is done, go ahead and go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after the restart, go ahead and try to use Store. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Store. To uninstall Store, you can use this command. Again you have to open the Powershell window and then make a right click, run as administrator, then click on yes, and copy this command and then paste it over here. Before I uninstall, I'll show you. Let me open Store first. So right now the store is open. So paste the command, then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now once you hit the enter key on the keyboard, the Microsoft Store is gone. So this is uninstalled. So if I go ahead and open store, it will not open anymore. So it is uninstalled. Now go ahead and restart your computer. So after you uninstall the store, restart your computer. So go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after this restart, you have to run this command to reinstall store. So go ahead and type in Powershell once again, and then make a right click, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and copy the second command this time, and this will reinstall the Microsoft Store. Paste it, hit the enter key on the keyboard, and once this is done, you can go ahead and type in store and you can open Microsoft Store. It takes few seconds. Yeah, so you'll be able to open store, and then you can go ahead and use store. So that should go ahead and fix the problem. If still you are facing the problem, you have to run these two commands. So again, open PowerShell and then make a right click, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and copy the first command, that is SFC Scan. So copy this and then paste it on the PowerShell window and hit the enter key on the keyboard. Again, open the PowerShell command once again, make a right click, then click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, and then copy the second command and run this, paste the command over here, hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now wait for the scan to be 100%. So do not close this window. Once this is 100%, over here also, once these both are 100%, once these are 100%, go ahead and restart the computer. So once the scan is complete, restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store after the system restart, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Still you are facing the problem, then you have to go ahead and run this inetcpl.cpl command. So just copy it, inetcpl.cpl, and then open run box. You have to open run box. You can go ahead and type in run in the Windows search, and then just type in inetcpl.cpl, click on OK, and then go to the advanced tab, scroll down, and make sure that use TLS 1.2, right? If this is unchecked, go ahead and check it. Make sure that use TLS 1.2 is checked, then click on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead and use Microsoft Store. If nothing is working, then you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 10. So go ahead and open any browser and then type in media creation tool in Google search, and then go to Microsoft website, and then you have to go ahead and download media creation tool on your computer. So click on download tool now. Now once you click on download tool now, a exe file will download. You have to run this exe file, then the tool will load up. Agree to the terms and condition, then you will see this option which says upgrade this PC now. By default this option will be checked, then click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update, and this will take some time because this is a large file. Do not worry about the data loss, because before the installation you will see this screen on media creation tool. You will see this ready to install, and by default keep personal files and app will be checked. If this is checked, you click on install and you will not lose any data on the computer. And after the Windows is installed successfully, log into the computer and you can use Microsoft Store. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get your store working. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.